So this is question 17 of SMO Junior 2020. For this question, given that ABCD is a rectangle, E is a point on BC and F is a point on CD. Given that the area of AEF equals to 2037 and the area of AECF is double of the area of ABE and is a triple of area ADF. We are asked to find the area of ABCD. From this condition, we can let the area of ABE equals to 3x. Let this to be 3x, and therefore the area of ADF will be equal to 2x, which means that the area of AECF equals to 6x. It means that the area of ECF equals to 6x minus 2037. So this is 6x minus 2037. From all of this information, we will know that the area of ABCD will be equal to the sum of all these numbers, and it will be equal to 11x. We are going to find the ratio of BE to EC. In order to find the ratio of BE to EC, we will see in a small picture in this way. This is 3x, and this will be equal to some value of x. And we know that the area of these two regions will equal to the half of the total region, which is equal to 11x. And therefore, this is equal to 2.5x. Therefore, BE to EC equals to 3 to 2.5, that is 6 to 5. Using the similar argument, we can have DF to FC is 2 to 3.5, that is equal to 4 to 7. We will focus on the triangle ECF. The area of triangle ECF equals to half. The base is EC, but EC is equal to 5 over 11 times this CF. CF is 7 over 11 of 11x. This means that ECF is a part of the total area of rectangle ABCD. And from the information that we have previously, it is also equal to 6x minus 2037. And after we cancel this, this is 35x over 22. Okay, so 6x minus 2037 is equal to 35x over 22. And from here, we should be able to find out what is the value of x. So after some calculation, we will have 97x over 22 equals to 2037. And therefore, the area of rectangle ABCD equals to 11x and equals to 11 times 2037 over 97 times 22. And the answer is equal to 5082. So 5082 is the answer for the question 17.